Guide to Submitting Short Stories for Publication, Tips and Tricks.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into the world of short story submissions. The process can seem daunting, especially if you're new to it, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll outline the guidelines and formatting requirements that most literary magazines, journals, and contests usually expect.
How do I choose where to submit my story?
The first step in the submission process is deciding where to send your story. There are hundreds of literary magazines and contests out there. However, you should be strategic about where you submit. It's essential to read several issues of the magazine to which you plan to submit or understand the theme of the contest, ensuring your story aligns with their style and content.
How should I format my submission?
Next, we're going to talk about formatting. While each magazine or contest might have slight variations in their formatting preferences, some general rules apply. Use a legible, standard font such as Times New Roman or Arial, 12-point. Double-space your story. Include page numbers in the upper right corner. Include your name, contact information, and word count on the first page. Remember, always review the submission guidelines for each specific magazine or contest as they may have unique requirements.
What other guidelines should I follow?
Finally, let's discuss additional guidelines. Always submit a clean, error-free manuscript. Proofread your work several times and consider having a second set of eyes look it over. Do not include a synopsis for a short story unless it's specifically requested. Cover letters should be brief and professional. Simultaneous submissions, where you submit the same story to multiple publications at the same time, are generally accepted, but always check the specific guidelines. If your work is accepted somewhere, notify the other publications immediately. In conclusion, submitting a short story can be an exciting process. It can seem a little daunting at first, but with the right guidelines and a bit of practice, it becomes easier. Remember to pay close attention to the submission guidelines, and don't get discouraged if your first, second, or even third story isn't accepted. Keep refining your craft and keep submitting. Best of luck to you all in your writing journey.